ChocZero just released some peanut butter chips, and I'm so excited because I get to play around with a recipe with them, finally. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and I've teamed up with ChocZero, and I'm gonna make you guys an easy peanut butter chip mug cake. Let's get started. So this is gonna be a super simple keto cake that you can make when you just have a hankering for something sweet, something peanut buttery. So the cake is gonna be peanut butter flavored, and then we're also gonna take those peanut butter chips from ChocZero, throw a few in so you get these little chunks of lovely sweetened peanut butter chips in there, along with let's make a peanut butter ganache. So on the back of the package of the peanut butter chips, there's a recipe on there for a delicious creamy peanut butter ganache by Lifting His Cake. In a small bowl, we're gonna add 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Now, if you didn't wanna use peanut butter, you could substitute with almond butter if you wanted, but then it would just be like a almond butter cake. 1 tablespoon of heavy cream, a tablespoon of sweetener of your choice. I'm gonna be using a monk fruit blend, 1 teaspoon of coconut powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and then 1 tablespoon of ChocZero's peanut butter chips. Mix this together until it's combined, and then pour this into a larger ramekin or a mug. Make sure you grease it first so that it doesn't stick to the sides, and then I'm gonna microwave mine for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. You wanna check on it just to make sure it's not gonna overflow. You could even bake this in the oven if you wanted. 350 degrees, it'll probably take you anywhere between like 6 to 10 minutes. Once your peanut butter cake is done, remove it from the ramekin, and then let's make that delicious ganache. This recipe is really easy to make. It does make a lot of ganache, so I'm gonna just decrease that by around 1/4 or 1/3. And all you're doing is mixing in some of ChocZero's peanut butter chips into some whipping cream. And you stir it until it's super creamy. The recipe says to heat the heavy cream in a saucepan. First, I just microwaved mine, and then I added in my chips. Drizzle that creamy peanut butter ganache all over the top of your mug cake. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you tag us, ChocZero, with all of your photos of your keto peanut butter mug cake.